Hi there! Today, let's talk about why yawning is contagious. Yawning helps bring in oxygen and keeps our brain awake. But did you know you can yawn just by seeing or hearing someone else yawn? That's because yawning is linked to social bonding. Our brain's limbic system reacts to others' yawns to help us connect and empathize. So contagious yawning might actually help us feel closer to each other. Next time, don't hold it in. Share the yawn and spread a little connection. Thanks for watching.